Hi, this is Anne Louise. We're going to learn Fight Song today, Rachel Platten tune. Today is Friday, the 26th of June, 2020. I'm going to switch my camera here and I'm going to play it through once. I'll play it kind of slow. Okay, so what's weird about the beginning is I'm going to be crossed over. This is my left hand and my right hand is underneath. Okay, we're in the key of G, and my introduction is. And then I start my song. Now, with my right hand for an accompaniment, I'm sorry, my left hand, I'm just going to keep playing this, and I'm playing D and G. Just, you want nice steady quarter notes, and I would not even do it so much that you don't have to think about it, so you can play your melody. Now I'm going to switch over. So this is up here, like a single word. And then the bridge. Two, three, four, one. One, two, three, four, one, two, one, two, three, four, one, two. Now this is the verse. E minor, C, these are the chords, G, D, let's do it again. C, E minor, this is your E minor chord, C chord, G chord, and then we go to the bridge. Okay, so then we're going to go back to the beginning of the song. In the bridge. time. And you could, I call that a button when you put something up here. And I'm just playing G, D, and G. If your hand doesn't make it that big, you could just do. Okay, don't forget your pedal. I hope that helps.